Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show. Me, Sean. Today we'll be talking about penny stocks we spoke about before and which ones we should be adding to our list. Now, at a time like this, I don't suggest adding any penny stocks to your list unless you are confident about them and you've researched them fully. Just because I have them on here doesn't mean you should go ahead. So my idea is we take our profit and we put it back in and we ride it all the way back up again. Anyway, on with the show. On one. Right, NLS Pharmaceuticals. Done a video on this before, so and SXTC. Now this one is just so far down. You can see there how far it's fallen. It's practically 50%, and I know it's a Chinese company, but we had a huge run up, and we can have that run up again once the market rebalances. MDGS, and this is one that we had a 40% run up in a day, and it's come down again, and I still think it hasn't had all of its run up yet. This is one that is yet to have its final run up. This is one that will go over $5. It will go over $4 or $5 a share. But we have comms. Now this is another one that I said would be $10 a share, and it was previously, it should be, and we should see it $10 a share again. Now VisiLink, remember, it should be minimum $5 stock. We've ridden it up a few times and it will go again. Psth Technologies is a LiDAR stock, should be at least a $5 stock, and it will get there again. United States Antimony Corporation, a mining stock. It's what everyone thinks. We're waiting for the news to come out, which should have come out by now, but because the market went on a downtrend, that can be the only reason I think they haven't announced it, that they're moving into the EV world. IT Tech Packaging, broke $1, we sold, pardon me, and played with house money. It then broke 120. I didn't ride all the way to the top because timing top is unlikely. It came back down. Now I think it's time to get back in. Now, don't forget to hit that lovely like button, and don't forget the sexy subscribe button. A lot sexier than me, just ask the wife. And if you want to be a hero, hit the bell notification. You'll be notified when a new video gets uploaded. And why not check out the links in the description below. If you're looking for a free trading platform, you get a free share worth up to £200, depending on the platform you use. If you deposit a small amount, why wouldn't you? Yeah. I'll see you in the next video. We have AHR, which is still going to be a beneficiary of the chip shortage, as is AMD and all the others, obviously, but we need to see what will happen with that. But let's and of course there's DSG Global. Now they have a massive range of EVs at budget prices. They have signed contracts for them to be assembled in the US by tribesmen, which gives them a lot of benefits. I am surprised this isn't pumping already, and I think people still class this as a golf cart company. They still class this as a Chinese company because they haven't done their research. But be patient. Remember, we had the same thing with the likes of Tattooed Chef and Rocket Mortgages. You have to be patient and do not sell out of this thing. Another one I spoke about a while ago, Psth. Look at that. Now when it was 80 cents, I said, now look at it, it's double this market cap, and trebled it, sorry. Why? Because it got a huge contract. Now, for those of us in it, we're doing well. And you can either choose to take your profits and move them into other well-established companies, and I wouldn't blame you for that, or you can ride the growth train. Remember, you're in on a ground floor with some of these companies. Only you can decide what you want to do. But when a company's run up this small, has run up so quickly, this much, I would at the very least take my initial investment out. Anyway, I was asked about Regeneron before, and what I thought about it. I said be careful because it had run up so much, and maybe pick it up on the pullback, and that was when it was around $600, $620. Sorry, $590. But now it's pulled down to $450. If you look at it, statistics, there's a forward PE of 11.34. You know, now you could use it as a defensive stock. If there is a crash, it will be classed as a value stock. Because its trailing PE, forward PE is even its price to sales. You know, you need to start thinking about these things. I don't think there will be a crash. I think we will have a correction followed by a couple of corrections because of the amount of money they're pumping in. But I could be wrong. The thing is about being ready. Having some people have been all in on growth stocks because why would they go for 2-3%, 5 to 8% dividend when they could get 20 to 100% growth in less than a year. Now, you're seeing the downside to that. And the last company I'm going to talk about is Cracker Robotics. I've gone through it before. The total debt is outweighed by the current assets. Go and check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good week.